In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unhide rows in Excel. If some rows seem to be missing in your worksheet, they may simply be hidden. This can happen by accident, especially when rows are collapsed or manually hidden during editing. The good news is that Excel makes it very easy to bring those rows back once you know where to click. To begin, look at the row numbers along the left side of the worksheet. Hidden rows are usually noticeable because the row numbers will skip. For example, if you see row 2 and then row 4, that means row 3 is hidden in between them. This is a useful visual clue and helps you identify exactly where the hidden row is located. Once you have found the missing row, select the rows immediately above and below it. Using that same example, if row 3 is hidden, you will need to highlight rows 2 and 4. To do this, move your cursor over the row numbers on the left side, then click and drag so both row numbers are selected. Make sure you are selecting the row headers themselves, not just the cells inside the worksheet. This is important because Excel needs the entire row selection in order to show the hidden row correctly. This will open a shortcut menu with several row-related options. In that menu, click Unhide. As soon as you do that, the hidden row will reappear in its original place. If you are working in a large spreadsheet, take a moment to confirm that the row has returned and that the numbering is now back in order. This is a quick way to make sure the action worked properly. If more than one row is hidden together, the same method often works as long as you select the visible rows directly above and below the hidden section. This is one of those simple Excel skills that can save time and prevent confusion when data appears to be missing. Once you know what skipped row numbers mean and how to use the Unhide option, the process becomes very straightforward. That covers everything you need to know.